client at Cloudwalker Brewery Supply would like to configure ACT so that his calendar is synchronized with Outlook. He'd ultimately like to have the freedom to use either program to schedule calendar items like activities and meetings, and yet be confident that they will synchronize with one another, always remaining up to date. We can help the client by enabling this synchronization process from within ACT, and then we'll perform a test to make sure the synchronization is working properly. So from within ACT, I'm going to go to my Tools menu, and I'm going to choose Synchronize with Outlook, and then I'll choose the Outlook Synchronization Preferences. This is kind of a shortcut to get to this place. In the previous lesson, we verified an ACT database and a variant of Outlook, so we can skip those two pieces this time. Now I'm going to make sure I'm on the Synchronize Calendar tab, and again, I'm going to choose two-way sync so that ACT and Outlook are always synchronized with each other. Now I want ACT to be the master record holder if there are any conflicts with the same record in both applications, so I'm going to choose to keep the ACT activity. And when we clear an activity in ACT, I also want to make sure that Outlook deletes the activity from its calendar. If I click the Advanced Preferences button, it lets me choose which types of ACT activities I want to synchronize. So I want to make sure I'm synchronizing my calls, my meetings, and my to-do activities. I can also set the date range here to synchronize and even determine how to handle reminder alarms. So I don't think I need to synchronize any activities from more than 14 days ago and from more than 30 days in the future. And as far as ring activities, I'm going to cause these alarms to ring in both ACT and Outlook this time. So now I'll click OK, and I'm going to click OK again. Now ACT asks me if I'd like to perform synchronization right now, so I'll click Yes. Down at the bottom, I can see this icon is spinning, and that tells me the synchronization is taking place. Now we can verify again that this synchronization took place, and if I go to Outlook and switch to the calendar view, I can see the activities that were previously in my ACT database have now been synchronized to Outlook. Let's say that we have a task here in Outlook and we realize that it's on the wrong day. I'm going to move this lunch meeting from Monday the 6th to Wednesday the 8th in Outlook. I'm going to make a mental note of that so that when I go back to ACT after synchronization, I can verify that this meeting has been moved from the 6th to the 8th. Now all I need to do is synchronize. I could synchronize from within Outlook by clicking the ACT tab at the top and then clicking Synchronize Now, or I can synchronize from within ACT by going to the Tools menu, Synchronize with Outlook submenu, and choose Synchronize Now. Either way will accomplish the same thing. Once that synchronization is finished, I'm going to go to my task list. I can check to see that this lunch meeting has indeed moved from the 6th to the 8th. This shows that we've successfully helped our client at Cloudwalker to synchronize and share activities between Outlook and ACT, regardless of where he chooses to schedule and maintain his activities.